Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here quinone is given which contain two double bonds and two ketones. You have to find whether quinone is aromatic or not. By looking at blindly, you might commit a mistake. Quinone is non-aromatic. But really what happened is that carbon in the carbonyl group has partial positive charge due to the oxygen electronegativity. Oxygen pulls the electron, so carbon is little bit positive there. The little bit positivity creates the conjugation. Since it has two carbonyl group, two cations are there. So what really happens is delocalization is possible. So delocalization possible, and it has 2 pi bonds, so totally 4 pi electron. The compound has 4 pi electron means according to Huckel rule it's a 4 and pi system with 4 and pi electron, and definitely it's planar and conjugated, so it's aromatic. According to the Huckel rule, the given compound is anti-aromatic. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.